Students, next we will discuss about the human excretory system. Here you can see two kidneys that are there. Renal artery, it is joined with the kidneys. Renal vein, it is joined with the kidneys. Okay. Now two long tubes that are present in between the kidneys and urinary bladder, which are known as ureter, and the opening here that is known as urethra. So now what is the function of the renal artery and the renal vein? Renal artery, they brings the dirty blood from the body. Dirty blood means it contains urea and other waste, toxic waste that are present in this. And renal vein, it carried away the clean blood after the filtration of the blood by the kidneys. So what is the function? What will be the function of the kidneys here? That they remove the poisonous substances like urea and other waste salts. Other waste salts means like excess salt that is present in the blood, or excrete them in the form of a yellowish liquid called urine. Next is that what is the function of the ureters here? Ureters, they carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. And what is the function of the urethra? That urine passed out from the body through the urethra. Okay. Kidneys, they consist of nephron. Nephrons, that are the excretory unit of kidney. Why? Because millions of nephrons that are present in the kidneys, which are responsible for the filtration of the blood. So here one structure of the nephron is shown here. It consists of the thin blood capillaries, a network of the blood capillaries that are present, which are known as glomerulus. Okay. And the one end of the glomerulus, it is connected with the renal artery. Remember, renal artery, it is a part of the human excretory system. And the other end of the glomerulus, it is connected with the blood capillary, which surround the tubule. Okay. And this cup shaped structure, this is known as the Bowman's capsule. Okay. And the Bowman capsule, it is attached with the tubule. Okay, so this is the structure of the nephron.